getting dropped off at the Venetian, hopping in my car, driving to Bellagio, meeting
Rich lot.
and then checking out his $2,000 a night hotel suite, penthouse, Bellagio. Okay. VIP. Can you like explain what this is? Do you care if I film it?
Yeah, I don't care. So this is an exclusive lounge for the top tier guests at the Bellagio, and there's other things that go beyond and behind that and stuff, and so it's pretty cool. How are you?
This is what I need.
Make you a drink, whatever you want, bro.
Drinks down
Wine,
here, water, juice,
Oh my god.
soda.
I'll go for water and a Snickers. I'm a simple man. How's it going?
Pretty good.
Holy cannoli.
What's going on, everyone? It's Rich Lux, and welcome to my Las Vegas penthouse. Okay, so this is one of the most craziest rooms in the Bellagio. It has 2 balconies. Out of 4,000 rooms in the Bellagio, only 3 have balconies, and this is one of them. So the cool part about this is like a little tip. If you ever get this room, ask them to bring you a table of food so you can sit out here on the balcony and eat with the Eiffel Tower and stuff. You're gonna have like your own little private date, you know? I think it's pretty cool to do that.
For real. That's it. Louis Vuitton? Can I touch it? It's like it's more expensive than my car probably.
So this is like the bed. This is where all like the magic happens right here. And hers restroom.
×2.
Times
Same
2.
thing on the other side.
Yeah. So you got this whole freaking tub right here. And I usually fill it up and I get like the shampoo and I just go like that and I just hit the jacuzzi and it just like falls everywhere.
Oh my god, it's got a bidet.
Yeah.
Little
There's
TVs
a
in the
TV
mirrors and
screen.
stuff.
Oh.
This is, yeah. And then here you have your safe, and then you have like a little Bellagio embroidered type of robe right there. It's pretty neat. Put your makeup on here.
Makeup.
This was what I freaking love most is the
Steam
freaking
room.
steamer. This thing has a steamer. You just hop in.
Yes, bro.
Okay, you just hit this button right here, beep, 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 and it just starts going. I'm telling you, like all the toxins out of your body, they just all come out. And you just cop out. Your body's all steamy, and you just feel like extra clean.
That's amazing.
Awesome.
So you get another TV here, same as the other one, and then on this side you get like the same type of effect, like with your wardrobe closet. Yeah.
Give it up, gonna be alright. All right.
So this is the other room I was telling you about. So it's basically identical to what you saw over here. It's just like flipped, the same thing.
Okay.
Yeah. And it also has like a door that will lead you to the balcony on the other side. And we'll check out that balcony now if you want.
Yeah, that works.
Yeah.
Cool.
You have this huge freaking table so you can like eat and hang out with your crew.
A little greasy right now. We've had many a meal.
We ate a lot. Some of the perks that come with this room is you get VIP limo service from the hotel to the casino, and then also you get that same service back to the hotel. Yeah, so they'll take you back to the hotel. They also give you a special key that like lets you go into a VIP room here, so you can go and just get unlimited snacks and drinks and just like kind of hang out for, you know what I'm saying, if you're gonna leave the casino or come back. It's
Yeah.
a good place to like stop by and just get some drinks or stuff like that. And it's all free, it just comes with the room.
Can you explain to me how much does this cost?
So I believe that was like 3,500. No, 5,000.
And to someone like me who has no idea about fashion, What makes it that expensive?
It's just trash. It doesn't matter.
Okay, so this room is pretty dope. Rich has to check out now, though, so we're gonna leave, go downstairs, and head into a limo and head to the Luxor. All right, let's go. So believe it or not, this is actually the first time I've ever been in a limousine in Las Vegas.
Can you roll that window up for me, sir? Sorry for interrupting if y'all were filming.
No, you're good. I finished what I was saying, actually.
I didn't realize if y'all were filming.
It's all good. It's all good. All right, so we're going to Luxor right now. We're gonna grab a couple nice photos for Rich, and then I'm not sure yet, but we might sneak in.
Because everyone stops here to take a picture in front of this famous sign.
Yeah.
Like millions of people a year, and now I'm finally gonna go to see it. So I'm excited. Hell yeah.
But not gonna lie though, it's not that exciting. Just